Very much out of this world, Steve. Right now I'm joined with Roy Williams, and he is the Public Programs Coordinator. Did I get that right?
That's right. That's correct.
All right. For the Kopernik Observatory. Now, Roy, you have a new exhibit coming up, and it's the astrophotography exhibit. And already this sounds really exciting. So can you just summarize for us what the event actually is?
Well, over the years at Kopernik Observatory, we've been able to see Halley's Comet, Comet Hale-Bopp, a comet crashing into Jupiter, all different types of objects. And our Astro Society members have taken pictures of some of these events.
That's very exciting. And speaking of pictures, let's just jump right in and look at a few of these that you brought out with you.
Yeah, this first one right here is the Orion Nebula, and that one right there that we're looking at is what's called visible light. We're just looking at it through the telescope with no filter. The second one, just over to the right here, is it's going to look green because the filter, the type of filter that it uses, is bringing out the hydrogen gas. Now, the Orion Nebula is where stars are being formed. All right.
Now, when they're taking these pictures, are they taking them right through the telescope?
Yes, most of these are through the telescope. Some aren't, but most are. The next one is definitely through a telescope, and that is the Andromeda Galaxy. And the Andromeda Galaxy is our closest galaxy to us. It's 2 million light years away. It's gigantic. It's a trillion stars.
It's amazing you can get a picture that far away.
That's right. As a matter of fact, you can see this with the naked eye from a dark site, and we can actually see it from the observatory, so that means we have a dark site.
Fantastic. And then we have a few down here. Let's take a sneak peek at these ones.
Sure.
Just pop them right up.
This one right here is, once in a while we get something called the Northern Lights. And this happened in 1989 and again a few years later. And it's when the atmosphere gets ionized and energized by activities caused by the sun. And this one right here is about comets. This picture shows Comet Hale-Bopp, which was a large comet back in '97. And the year before we had Comet Yaikutake. And just recently, about a year ago, we had Comet Holmes. Kind of a neat looking comet. It looked more like a jellyfish. It was a really neat one.
It really is, and that's absolutely incredible that you can get all these amazing exhibits. And you have one more picture. Let's jump right in and look at that.
Well, this one is about one of our classes we have at the observatory. Once a year we have a class where high school students come and spend the whole weekend. They sleep out for a Friday and a Saturday night, and this one was a couple years ago where they got to see a meteor shower, and they're all sleeping on our sundial. And it was a really great class we have. In fact, it's very popular, and we're going to hold another one in April.
Excellent. Now, when is the exhibit?
Right, we're going to be having, because of the impending snowstorm coming, we're going to push it back to Saturday, and it's called A Universe of Images. And so Saturday at 7 o'clock, give us a call just to double check on road conditions.
Very important. And does the exhibit cost anything?
Oh yeah, it's $5 for adults, $3 for children, and a $16 family maximum. So for $16, you can bring your whole family.
Excellent. $16, a fantastic exhibit. Remember, on Saturday and not Friday.